how to connect pages in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's give you a demonstration how you will be able to connect one page together with another page. So over here, we have two pages. We have our home page and a page called page. And to demonstrate how we could transition between the two is we could utilize this button over here, the get started button. So let's use the get started button. To be able to connect it to the next page, you're going to look over here on the right side. We have a link to option over here. So simply click on the page that you want it to transition to, and there we go. So now this page, if we select this, will redirect us to the new page over here. The new page is currently empty, so you guys can't really see much as you can see, but that's basically it. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.